Welcome to this 𝗃𝗏𝗀 tutorial. Today we'll explore a few of Canva's magic tools, a set of AI-powered features that make creating content faster and easier. In this video, we'll look at three tools: Magic Write, Magic Design, and the AI image generator within Canva. First, let's look at Magic Write. Start by opening a document and clicking Text on the left-hand menu. A sidebar will pop up with the options including Add a text box and Magic Write. Click Magic Write. In the text box, type your prompt. For example, write 3 social media posts for a conference called 𝗃𝗏𝗀𝗃. Then click Generate, and in seconds, Canva provides polished options. Now let's improve the results. Say I want to change 2023 to 2025 and reduce emoji use. I simply click the This But button below the text. Add that instruction, and Canva regenerates the copy with those changes. Once I have a good draft, I insert it into my design where I can edit the text and format as needed. Magic Write includes another shortcut. Highlight your text and you'll see a small wand icon appear. Click it and it offers quick transformations like rewrite, fix spelling, continue writing, shorten, make more fun, or make more formal. For this demo, I'll choose more fun, and Canva instantly updates the text. You can try as many adjustments as you like until it feels right. Magic Write is perfect for brainstorming, drafting, or breaking through writer's block. It's like having a built-in writing assistant right inside of Canva. Next is Magic Design. Instead of starting from a blank page, head to the Canva home screen. Above the search bar, you'll see a button labeled Canva AI. Click that to begin. In the search bar, type what you need. For example, AI in medical education social media post. Then click the Submit arrow. Canva will automatically generate multiple design layouts for you. Each one comes with different fonts, colors, and styles, so you can pick the one that feels right for your project. If none of these options stand out, that's not a problem. Just scroll down and click the More Designs button. Canva will instantly create another round of layouts, giving you more choices. Once you've found a design you like, click it to open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see a Color button. Here you can preview different color schemes with just one click. If you have something specific in mind, you can also type directly into the search bar on the left-hand side, for example, red and white theme, and Canva will update the design to match. After choosing the perfect base, select the Use Canva Editor button in the top right-hand corner. This opens the full Canva editor, where you can add your own text, adjust images, or fine-tune the layout until it's exactly how you want it. Magic Design is a huge time saver. Whether you're preparing social media graphics, marketing materials, event flyers, or classroom slides, it gives you professional, polished designs in just a few clicks. Finally, let's try the AI image generator. With a document already open, start by clicking Magic Media in the left-hand sidebar. Canva gives you several options here. You can generate images, graphics, or even short video clips. Instead of searching endlessly, you can create exactly what you need. For example, I'll type futuristic classroom with students using holograms. I want to keep up with the red theme, so I'll type in red theme at the end of the sentence. If you don't love the results, you can simply regenerate with the same prompt or tweak the wording slightly until you find the perfect match. There's no limit to how many times you can use it, which makes it easy to experiment with different styles and looks. The AI image generator is a powerful way to bring creative ideas to life. It gives you original visuals that match your project, helping you create designs that feel both professional and one of a kind. So those are some of Canva's magic tools: Magic Write for text, Magic Design for layouts, and the AI image generator for custom visuals. Together, these tools help you go from an idea to a professional design in minutes. Thank you for watching this 𝗃𝗏𝗀 tutorial.